Before you begin, remove 7 of the rubber inserts, the stand bottom cover, and the M.2 solid-state drive if installed in the unit. Removal. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless LAN antenna cables from the wireless LAN module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade PC performance. Carefully disconnect the wireless LAN antenna cables from the wireless LAN module by grasping the connectors with a small pair of needle nose pliers or tweezers. Remove the P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless LAN module to the motherboard. The module will pop up from its slot. Grasp the wireless LAN module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Replacement. Align the notch in the wireless LAN module with the key in the wireless LAN module slot on the motherboard. Keep the wireless LAN module at a 30-degree angle and gently insert it into the slot on the motherboard. While holding down the wireless LAN module, replace the single P1 Phillips head screw that secures it to the motherboard. Reconnect the wireless LAN antenna cables to the wireless LAN module. The antennas are labeled 1 and 2 and should be connected to the corresponding numbered ports on the module. Caution: use care when reconnecting the wireless LAN antenna cables to the wireless LAN module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade PC performance.